The BC series Crescent former tissue machine is a high-speed and energy-saving model that Baosuo has been dedicated to developing independently. It combines with European and American technologies and processes. This model has the advantages of high running speed, large production capacity, stable production, low energy consumption, good tissue softness and thickness, etc. Jiangxi Li & Man Paper Company is located at Zhoujiang Wharf Industrial Park in Jiangxi Province. The second phase of the annual 100,000 tons project has adopted 6 sets BC series Crescent former tissue machines from Baosuo Company, who supplies an overall turnkey solution for this project. The neat and uniform factory buildings, reasonable and standardized layout, and optimal process design, coupled with sophisticated and high-quality engineering, energy-saving and efficient tissue machines, continue to create more brand value for the customers and bring tangible benefits. The pulping preparation part is designed to be centralized, which can not only save energy and reduce consumption, but also reduce equipment investment. The raw materials are commercial virgin pulps. The long fiber pulps and short fiber pulps are respectively fed into the medium-density hydraulic pulper through a chain conveyor. The disintegrated short fiber pulps are descended by a high-density descender and then enter the double-disc refiner. After the disintegration, the long fiber pulps are descended by a high-density descender and then enter the deflaker for fiber decomposition. The prepared stock will be broomed again after even refining, and then delivered to the stock preparation tower for distribution to each tissue machine. The approach system includes a sizing pump, a fan pump, a pressure screen, a second stage screen, a sizing and thickening system, and a high-precision sizing flow control system. The pulps in the machine chest are delivered to the tissue machine head box through the approach system. The head box of this model is a Crescent forming head box, which refers to the international advanced level in the industry. The head box consists of a spreader, a main box body, and a rectifier tube bundle device, a box body adjustment device, a lower lip plate, an upper lip plate, an upper lip straightness adjustment device, an upper lip plate opening adjustment device, side wall panel, and so on. The suction touch roll is wrapped with high-strength polyurethane, and roller body and vacuum chamber are all made of 304 stainless steel. The design of the large roll diameter increases the touch area, and the polyurethane encapsulation improves the opening rate, which effectively improves the dryness and thickness of tissue sheet, thereby reducing steam consumption. The Yankee dryer is made of steel, which has advantages of fast heat conduction, safe use, energy saving and steam saving, and lower cost. The dryer surface adopts metal spraying process, which greatly reduces the surface wear and improves the service life of the dryer. The Yankee dryer surface is protected by a high-quality chemical coating, and the tissue sheet is peeled off from the dryer surface after being creped by a doctor blade and sent to the rolling part to be won into jumbo roll by tissue sheet, blowing, and a guiding system. The whole operating system employs the Siemens DCS control system, which can be easily controlled automatically through the operation screen without human intervention. In order to ensure safety in machine operation, after the jumbo roll is completed, it enters the converting process. The produced jumbo roll can be directly delivered into the slitting process. After slitting, it is wrapped and stacked for storage.